Hello friends. So now you're at the last book of the Introducing Sounds series, which is the Introducing Sounds 5. This is the last book of our phonetic series. Now in this book, you have again the beginning sound worksheets with all the 26 sounds, the middle sound worksheets with all the 5 vowels, and the ending sound worksheets, which also has all the 26 sounds that we have done with the child by now. And apart from this, it has the colors worksheet. So this book actually starts with the colors worksheet. We do the colors worksheet like a sight word in this book. So the way we do sight words is how we do the colors worksheet in this book. We ask the child to recognize the first or the second sound and then try and guess the color. So for instance, if it is yellow, so we ask the child to read y, e, and then blend the sounds y, e, l, and then ask the child to guess the color. Because obviously the child is not reading colors by now, but we use colors so that we can later on give him sentences using these colors. As you will see in the last part of this book, we have sentences. If you have done the colors well with the child, you've done them like sight words and the children are able to read the colors, then we will start with the sentence worksheets. If you will see the sentences, when the child reads the sentences, they have a color in them. And the child can identify the picture and color it according to what he has read in the sentence. So this is how we finish our phonetic series. So friends, I would also like to remind you that saying the sounds in the right way is very important. And to understand how to say the sounds, how to pronounce the sounds, I would request you to go to the videos which are there on the website of the Anandaya Foundation to understand how to say the sounds, and so that you are using them correctly with the child. Also, the Anandaya Foundation website has detailed versions of how to do the beginning sound, the ending sound worksheets, the middle sound worksheets, also the vowel sound worksheets. So when you look at those videos in detail, you would have the correct language to use when you are doing these worksheets with the children. Thank you.